The Greenbrier Companies enters 2018 with great momentum. The strategy of protecting and enhancing our core markets in North America, while expanding our international footprint for diversification and growth, is paying off. Fiscal 2017 was one of the most active years in our history, generating more than $2.1 billion worldwide and ending the year with a strong balance sheet, ample liquidity, and no net debt. Greenbrier is well positioned for the coming year. This is a competitive advantage for 2018, as North American railcar markets are expected to improve, and internationally, opportunities for continued growth emerge. Fiscal 2017 orders exceeded 16,000 new railcars, valued at $1.5 billion. Greenbrier also celebrated two major manufacturing milestones: the delivery of our 100,000th intermodal unit and 50,000th covered hopper railcar. Greenbrier's worldwide railcar backlog exceeds 28,000 units, valued at $2.8 billion. Part of this backlog comes from a comprehensive commercial partnership with Mitsubishi UFJ Lease and Finance Company Limited, or MUL. The agreement makes Greenbrier the exclusive provider of newly built railcars to MUL through 2023. Also in fiscal 2017, our Gunderson Marine Group launched 3 vessels, including 2 80,000-barrel articulated tank barges. Greenbrier's agreement with MUL establishes a new asset management platform to support their growing railcar fleet. Also in fiscal 2017, we formed a new leasing warehouse facility that adds financing functionality and improves capital efficiency. Greenbrier Management Services, known as GMS, added approximately 85,000 railcars to its managed fleet, a more than 30% increase since the beginning of the fiscal year. Recent growth at GMS occurred predominantly with Class 1 railroads, and GMS is now relied on by almost every Class 1 railroad in the U.S. Reduced loadings and prices for energy commodities continue to impact the aftermarket railcar services industry. The Wheels and Parts team and GBW are actively engaged in developing new market opportunities and are focused on improving the financial performance of our aftermarket businesses. Greenbrier's international operations produced transformational results and solid returns on invested capital in fiscal 2017. We grew our presence in global markets, establishing key bases of operation and valuable relationships for strategic growth in developing regions. We doubled the size of our Western European presence last year with the completion of the Astra Rail merger. Greenbrier is now the majority owner of Greenbrier Astra Rail, the largest freight railcar builder in Europe. As Europe's premier freight railcar builder, Greenbrier Astra Rail features design, manufacturing, and repair operations that span 6 facilities. Greenbrier Astra Rail features the most expansive product offering in the Western European market and is able to serve markets in Eastern Europe, Eurasia, and the nations of the Gulf Cooperation Council. Our facilities in Europe, with support from our U.S. engineers and product development professionals, continue the successful delivery of railcars to Saudi Railway Company, or SAR. Greenbrier is providing nearly 1,200 U.S.-designed tank cars for molten sulfur and phosphorus transport. Half of these tank car deliveries to the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia are complete. The nations of the Gulf Cooperation Council are a promising long-term market for Greenbrier's products and services. In Brazil, Greenbrier increased ownership of railcar builder Greenbrier Maxion from 19.5% to a majority interest of 60%. Greenbrier Maxion is the largest railcar producer in Brazil, South America's largest economy, rich with potential for substantial growth in the railcar industry. We also increased ownership in Amstead Maxion Cruzeiro from 19.5% to 24.5%. Amstead Maxi & Cruzeiro manufactures castings and components for rail cars and other heavy equipment and is a key supplier to Greenbrier Maxion. Throughout the year, we organized volunteer activities and donated to a variety of organizations that benefit the communities where our people live and work. Last September, Greenbrier employees took swift action to assist those in need after Mexico was struck by 2 devastating earthquakes. Employees also assisted in hurricane relief efforts at nearly the same time. As always, our greatest asset is our people. Their hard work and initiative is vital to Greenbrier's continued success. We value and respect all the contributions made by the people of Greenbrier. 2017 was defined by international diversification and steady improvement in North American railcar markets. We expect international expansion, along with continued strengthening in North America, to drive stronger revenue performance and increased earnings per share in 2018. Greenbrier's reach and growth is redefining the company. As Greenbrier changes, our commitment to solving customers' challenges and problems is unwavering. Our customers are at the center of everything we do.